you doing, Uncle Jack?
I'm gonna pull the turkey out. It's just
Think it's burnt?
We got a burnt turkey, guys.
it's just the skin. Relax.
Jack, that's not even funny.
Hey man, if you got some motherfucking lemon pepper stuff on, man, tie them hoes up tight to where you ain't got no circulation.
Alright folks, here it is. I don't know if you can see this, but 20 pounds of turkey, 5 pounds of bacon. I hope the annual fireball. Better watch the oven mitts in case there's flammable material.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's stuck again. Oh, that's stuck. Oh, damn. Okay. You're okay.
You didn't get burned, did you?
Yeah, real bad.
Did you?
Yeah.
Don't put it in water. We got to take you to the emergency room.
You burnt my face.
Let me see. I don't see your face.